Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the silk, which is the one of the important fibers which obtained from the silkworm, right? So coming to the silk, it is not, what are the other names or synonyms of the silk? It is also known as a silk fibers or silk only, silk thread, then slake and satiny, right? So these are the different synonyms. So coming to the biological source, it is obtained from cocoons spawned by the larva of the silkworm, that is the Bombyx mori, right, belongs to the family Moraceae. So these two things has to be remembered compulsory. Bombyx mori, which is the name of the worm from where we are getting the silk thread, which belongs to the Moraceae. Coming to the geographical source, when we talk about geographical source, which area or which location it can grow. So the commercial cultivation, it is there in the China, France, the Iran, Italy, Japan, and also in India, right? In India, Raigad district is also very famous for that. Cultivation and collection, silkworm egg, which will be there in the cocoons, that has to be collected, which will be grow into the plants, different plants. The suitable temperature has to be maintained, humidity has to be maintained. There it will be growing the cocoons, that one of the capsule, white capsule, where the silkworm will be there, and their life cycle, it will be taken place, right? So that has to be collected and it has to be warm into the water, so that the threads can be separated from the particular cocoons, right? So coming to the description, whatever the fibers which we have got from the this particular larva, so it is going to be yellow in color, fine, solid, smooth, and 2 to 5 micron diameter and 1200 meter length, right? So that's just imagine the length, it is how much, 1200 meter length, it is more than a kilometer length it is going to have, without any break and without any the cuttings, right? So coming to the cultivation, this chemical constituents, how it is going to be, the one of the main important protein it is going to be there into the silk fiber, that is the fibroin, right? So this is very important. If fibroin undergo hydrolysis, it is going to yield in two amino acids called glycine and alanine, right? So these two amino acids is going to be hydrolyzed by the fibroin, right? Coming to the use, what are the different applications of the silk fibers? When we talk about preparation of sutters, sieves, which will be used into the pharmaceutics labs for the for the filtration, right? Then ligatures also, which will be used into the surgical medical surgery, and traditional Chinese medicine or traditional Chinese system of medicine also, it is going to have its medicinal role, right? So since silk it is having good commercial value and economical development into the countries, like silk industries, it is having different types of silk saris and silk cloths, it is very famous. So that's what these threads becomes very important into the animal fibers. Thank you.